Right then guys, job today, awning rails. There we go, got them in white to match the van. Got them off company on eBay, I'll leave a link in the description. So pretty simple really, just get a straight line put on the van. I've got two of these, so they're 1.2 meters each, and then I'll be sticking them on with heavy duty adhesive, taping them on there, and then that will be suffice because it'll spread the loads. So let's get this camera on a tripod and let's get cracking. Go on. Helping my dad today because it's half term, yay.
I'm helping my dad today because it's half term today, and I'm gonna remove the tape off the awning rail. It's all stuck on now.
Right guys, there we go, awning rail fitted. Two 1.2 meter lengths. So that'll be getting tested out later. Let us know what you think, and if you're wondering what I used to stick it on with, it's this stuff. A lot of people use Silka Flex. But this seems to have very similar properties, and I've used that many a times. That sticks like on sites, on exterior applications, and it's been excellent at anything I've used it for. So yeah, links in the description for all this stuff as usual. And here we have it, the awning rail in full effect, doing the job. So as you can see, another lovely day in the UK, and this is why you need that rail really. Good connection between the tent and the van. Outdoor revolution, highly recommend it. 3x3 inside. I'll show you around the other side here. So you can open up the sides and have a window and stuff, and you can get the side of the tent quite tight. And then show you in here, without getting mud all over the place, plenty of storage area, because it's a bit tight in a van with four. You definitely need something like this. So there you go, and this is what the awning rail looks like on the inside. There's also a driveway kit here, so you can just pull out these plastic channels and you can drive away. If you don't have that, it's extremely difficult. So that was an additional extra. All the links again in the description, and that's just flapping there because I haven't zipped up because I've just come through. So yeah, from a rainy farm in the UK. Have a good day.